This Bielmeier 12.5-inch carbon steel wok pan is more than just a cooking tool. It's your gateway to creating authentic, flavorful, and healthy meals with ease. Whether you're a passionate home chef or someone just venturing into the world of cooking, this versatile wok, with its unmatched build quality and thoughtful design, has something for everyone. In this detailed review, we'll explore everything from its features and benefits to its performance and why it stands out in a crowded market. Why you should buy it now. The Bielmeier wok isn't just another cooking tool, it's an investment in better meals and a healthier lifestyle. With its premium build, thoughtful design, and versatile features, it's a must-have for any kitchen. Key features of the Bielmeier Carbon Steel Wok. Number 1. Superior value and build quality. Unlike standard woks, the Bielmeier boasts a thicker body with a 1.5 centimeters thickness, compared to the usual 1.2 to 1.4 centimeters. This ensures even heating and optimal cooking performance, which is crucial for dishes requiring high heat like stir-fries and seared meats. The addition of unique aluminum components, a sturdy beechwood handle, and premium accessories enhances its practicality while giving it an elegant touch. Number 2. Multi-purpose versatility. Crafted from carbon steel, this wok is perfect for various cooking methods, from stir-frying and sautéing to steaming and deep frying. Its exceptional heat conduction and durability ensure you can cook dishes that retain both flavor and nutritional value, making it a go-to choice for health-conscious cooks. Number 3. Healthier cooking for a lifetime. The nitrided surface ensures that the wok is Teflon-free. While it's not a traditional nonstick pan, proper seasoning enhances its nonstick performance over time. This not only promotes healthier cooking with less oil, but also extends the lifespan of the wok significantly. Number 4. Compatibility with all stove types. Whether you have a gas stove, induction cooktop, ceramic stove, or even an open flame setup, the flat bottom design ensures stability and compatibility. Plus, the removable wooden handle makes it oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, adding to its versatility. Number 5. Thoughtful details for maximum convenience. Every aspect of the Bielmeier wok has been carefully designed. The wooden lid features a step design for a snug fit, ensuring heat and moisture retention. A soup mouth design allows for easy pouring without spills. The detachable handle not only saves storage space, but also ensures easy oven use. The hammer pattern surface adds an aesthetic appeal, making it a standout piece in your kitchen. Why the Bielmeier wok outshines competitors. Durability. You can trust. The combination of a nitrided surface and premium carbon steel ensures this wok is resistant to rust and warping, provided you follow the included care guidelines. Proper cleaning, oiling, and drying keep it in pristine condition for years to come. Perfect for high-heat cooking. The Bielmeier wok's ability to withstand and distribute heat evenly makes it a top choice for achieving the smoky, crispy textures that are hallmarks of authentic Asian cooking. Designed for modern lifestyles, the flat-bottom design caters to modern stove technologies while maintaining the traditional essence of wok cooking. Whether you're making stir-fries, soups, or even baked dishes, this wok does it all. What makes this wok unique? Versatility. Cook a wide range of dishes effortlessly. Ease of use prepares both beginners and experts for a seamless cooking experience. Health benefits. Non-Teflon, non-stick seasoning means healthier meals. Durability. Engineered to withstand the test of time. Aesthetic appeal. Adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. How to care for your Bielmeier wok. 1. Before first use, refer to the manual for detailed instructions on cleaning and seasoning. 2 cleaning tips. Avoid using soap. Instead, rinse with hot water and wipe dry. 3. Season regularly. Apply a thin layer of cooking oil after each cleaning to prevent rust. 4. Proper storage. Keep the wok in a dry place or hang it for convenience. By following these steps, your wok will deliver consistent results for years. Conclusion. This Bielmeier 12.5-inch carbon steel wok pan is more than just a kitchen tool. It's a game changer for anyone who values versatility, durability, and authentic cooking experiences. With its superior heat conduction, sturdy build, and compatibility with all stove types, this wok is designed to cater to the needs of both novice and professional cooks alike. Its thoughtful details, such as the flat-bottom design, detachable handle, and included accessories, make it a practical and stylish addition to any kitchen. Whether you're perfecting your stir-fry technique or exploring new recipes, the Bielmeier wok delivers exceptional results every time. Its health-conscious design, free from harmful coatings, and easy maintenance ensure you can cook with confidence and convenience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.